Involved in ETP since January 2011, whereby we presented our project to the Economic Council. The project name is Security and Trade Facilitation using RFID. The project was announced as a part of ETP in 19th of April 2011. Since then, we have went leap and bounds. We signed an MOU with the Royal Malaysian Customs, whereby we are working closely with them to implement the project across the country. Royal Malaysian Customs have allowed us to implement this at all their custom checkpoints, which amount to about nearly 900 over. This system, the Security and Trade Facilitation using RFID project, is based on a product we call Secure Trade Facilitation. What it does is increase the efficiency of trade facilitation in custom checkpoints across the country. It also provides security to the containers to ensure that containers are not tampered along the way. What the project does also from the commercial trial run, we have found out that it halved the 50% of the time taken to clear a container. Based on statistics provided to us by Royal Malaysian Customs, they have saved about 47 minutes per container. And people like DHL and TNT, they told us that they have cost saving on top of this, so it makes things even more faster.
TNT, we have actually got a couple of ways that we move goods here, and our core business is actually in transportation networks. Yeah, and one of the big parts that we move goods within Asia is through our road network within intra-Asia. And today we've actually got our road network spanning from Singapore all the way up to southern China and into Hong Kong. Previous to this, for Malaysia specifically, it was a very manual process where the driver, you need to have a customs broker or agent who prepares all the documentation for you way advance before the truck even arrives at the border. Then you get those forms. You have to go to a customs officer to actually get it printed and signed. And especially in a TNT scenario, we run from one border checkpoint to the other under a K8 custom form. And our truck can actually have multiple K8 forms. Yeah? And the customs process required for every form to be signed, endorsed, with the actual customs officer sign there at every back of the form. So this is actually quite a tedious process. And once that was done, you then go to the actual customs bay with a physical inspection, where the guy needs to see the same signature on every form and stuff like that. And with the new system now today, where we had to carry stacks of paper, we don't even need to be involved in the border clearance process physically. The driver can do it on its own with an office operator who inputs all the information into the system. And the driver now just carries one customs document, which is also the RFID seal document, from one checkpoint to the next checkpoint. Through the trials we've done an analysis that our waiting time at the borders have actually decreased by 50%. Yeah, so that translates to a faster turnaround time for us. And as you've seen today, we actually arrived in Penang a lot earlier than what we planned for. The spin-off effect is a direct benefit to our customers, where we are able to get their goods to market a lot faster and earlier.